Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. I was feeling fishy, so just kidding. Today I'm going to show you a very simple but delicious fish recipe. I bought this pack of frozen fish at a supermarket called Lamu. And this pack of fish is called Aka Sakana. This first kanji means red, Aka, and this kanji means fish, Sakana. But the fish meat itself is white. Okay, so I'm going to freeze these, and I've already defrosted 3 fish. I'm going to Ziploc these after. So once your fish is defrosted, you want to pat everything dry. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get paper towels. I'm going to pat each side as dry as possible. And yes, there are bones. Pat it dry. Then you're going to need, this is shio kosho, which means salt and pepper. You're going to season both sides. That's the way I like to do it, just to make sure that it gets flavoring. Just like that. Let me just put this aside. So what you're going to need is flour. This is flour. Salt and pepper, shio kosho, paprika, and garlic powder. And of course, oil. Okay, so you're going to put everything into a bowl like this. I didn't measure how much flour I put in here, so I just put some flour and I put salt and pepper generously. I already did it, so I just add a tiny bit more like this. And I added some paprika and I added some of this garlic powder. Okay, and then I used this whisk and I gave it a good swirl. I'm not going to use egg. I mean, you could if you want. You can soak the fish in egg and then dip it into this flour. It's up to you. But for this recipe, it's going to be very plain, but it's going to be delicious. Okay, for you expats out there, try this recipe. You won't regret it. I really think you'll like it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn on the stove. Okay, now for some oil. You can use butter if you want. I'm going to put quite a bit of oil because I'm going to fry it. Or you can actually deep fry it if you want, but I want to limit the amount of oil that I use. So just let that heat up for a bit. Okay, let's dredge these fish one by one like this. They're getting a nice coat on both sides. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Let the seasoning go right into the fish. If you guys are sick of eating Japanese food, try this. Of course I like Japanese food, but there are times that I want to eat something different, something from back home, something that I grew up eating. Like that. So I still have a lot more. Okay, it looks like it's getting hot. Let's just test it. I'll just drop some of this flour in it. You can tell if the oil is hot by just doing this, and you'll notice the flour cooking quickly. Okay, time to 1, 2, 3. Just like that. That was so easy. And let's take a little peek. Yeah. It's browning on the side. still a bit frozen inside, so just wait a bit. Oh, I can smell the garlic. Oops. Oh yeah. You want it nice and brown. You want the oil to go through the fish. Like that. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, in case I forget, you're going to need a paper towel for your plate because you want to drain the oil from the fish. I'm going to give it a sample. Okay, it's looking nice and white. Yum! Nice and flaky. Yum! I'm going to be eating this fish with some Japanese rice. You can eat it with bread if you want. And I have a salad. Okay guys, looks like I'm done. It's been about 8 minutes, so time to take it out. Two, three. Actually, I should have turned this off. Here is the final dish. It smells marvelous. I can't wait to sink my teeth in them. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.